Well, I've discovered that the brand new fuel pump that I got doesn't work. I hooked up right to the battery. Nothing happening. Hook up the old one, and it works. So, guess I didn't have a problem with the original fuel pump after all. Although, as it turns out, that fuel pump only works negative ground. When I bought it, it definitely said you could use it positive or negative ground, so that's kind of disappointing. But at least I know the old pump still worked, so gotta look at the positives, I guess. Alright, so it's been a few weeks since I've been out here to work on this. Pretty much last thing I did was finished up getting the wiring harness in, which I covered in the previous video, and worked on some additional wiring that wasn't part of that actual harness. But I'm going to do a separate video on the rest of that once I get that completed. So today I'm out here and just going to focus on the ignition a little bit. I got replacement parts for all the internals. For the distributors, got new coils. I'm going to try and put those in and see if it'll start. So I already popped the clips off of this distributor cap. And it doesn't look too bad up under there, honestly. That wire's not looking too promising. Could be some of my issue. Oops. So I'm just going to end up taking at least one of these distributors out, because one, it'll be a lot easier to rebuild it outside of the truck, and two, I want to be able to read the serial number, which is of course on the back side against the engine block. I can't read it without taking it out, so I'll pull this one out, see what we can find out. Once again, I'm getting way deeper into this than I originally planned, but I think in the end it'll be better than if I didn't do this. So I was having trouble with one of the screws in this distributor coming out. It'll be easier to work with on a workbench instead of trying to get my hands down in between the engine and the side of the truck here. So since I've gone this far, I might as well just go ahead and get the electronic ignition for the distributors anyway, so I think that's the route I'm going to go with them. So take these home and work on them and see what I can do with them.